today we have a new sneaker vlog, guys. So again, from the last vlog, we have the Doraemon, Nike Doraemon. Today we have the new Nike High OG, the classic color scheme, which is the University Blue. So ayan nga guys, let's check, unbox, and we'll check the quality guys, and compare for other sneakers. So again, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photography gears, videography gears, vlogging tools, and my personal sneakers. So again guys, and let's start unbox now the sneaker guys. So ayan, makita mo, typical na black box ng Nike High OG type, which is yung black red. So alam nyo na High OG yan, matik yan guys. So charan, this is na sneakers guys. Ayan, may kita nyo kagad guys ang ating pair na sneakers. So ayan, check natin kagad guys. Ewan ko ba pag Jordan, pasapamuin mo yan. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, but yeah. So let's check the sneaker. The colorway, the material, it's similar with the High OG, the dark Mocha. For me, it's a similar material that they use from the dark Mocha. Again, the color blocking scheme characterized by the Air Jordan 1, yung old High OG type nga. And the shoe brings genuine university blue leather with the ankle, heel toe, and the outsole, which is, yeah, it's also blue. The block on the swoosh, ito, swoosh, and the collar and the contrasting with the white quarter panel midsole. So, and guys, the tongue and the toe box, a black wings logo with the University Blue. Ito siya, blue branding tongue helps finish of the model clean and classic detailing. So, pati dito may kita nyo guys, it's blue. So, ayun, maganda yung color blocking yung style niya talaga guys. It's blue, University Blue, black and white. So may lalabas pa. There's another Jordan 4, I think will be released this month, I think end of the month. The Jordan 4 University Blue din, ang angas din yung guys, kikas na tignan yung guys. So for me, I like this pair guys, but compare for the Mocha, I prefer the Mocha more than this, because yun, maraming salamat sa, siyempre sa sister ko regarding sa so, tinulungan niya ako regarding dito sa, ayun, ito sa University Blue, ang angas guys, ang ganda ng leather niya dito, pareho lang talaga ng ng Mocha. Pag kinumpare mo yung Mocha dito, similar lang talaga sila ng quality guys. So check natin nga, compare natin sa Mocha guys. So eto yung Mocha natin, so compare natin sa Mocha guys. Tingnan yung quality ng leather ng Mocha, halos I think similar lang talaga guys ang quality niyang Mocha, yung pati lahat, stitching, lahat nga guys. Basta parehong maangas guys pero pang mas prepare ko yung Mocha. Pero maganda rin yung University Blue. I like both guys. Kaya ayan, keep natin ang dalawang stickers na to guys. Para ayan, angas diba? Kahit anong bagay mo ng kulay ng ano mo damit. White, blue, black, pwede siya. So, guys, hindi to. Halos mas maganda yung tangkal dito, the heel, ankle heel ba yung tawag dito, this area, diba? Heel, tama, mas okay yung sa guys. I think it's more better from the University Blue, this heel tawag dito, basta yun yan. Sa tang, halos parehas lang sila guys, all similar, team leather quality. Ang masabi mo, buy direct sa ating kung compare mo sa dalawa, saan ang mas gusto mo dito sa dalawa, Mocha or the University Blue?
Sa Mocha pa rin ako.
Mocha daw. Mas astig nga yung color ng Mocha compare sa University Blue. Kasi ang dami nang lumabas I think there's a lot University Blue na nirelease na before. Ayan. But for me, I like both guys because this is my first University Blue na Jordan 1. I have the Jordan 1 University Blue. Ito. Yeah. This is University UNC2 Chicago. Yes, this is UNC2 Chicago. Pero iba yung niya, women's release. Iba yung color niya. It's not similar with this University Blue talaga. Tapos yun, ayun na si Doraemon. Nandun na si Doraemon, diba? So, ayun nga guys. Pero pa tayong Travis Scott dito, which is blue din, diba? J4. Pero mas maangas yung Jordan 4 na University Blue na this coming Jordan 4. So again guys, I think that's it for today. We will make a B-roll for the sneakers and yeah, yun lang. And again guys, so additional lang, I have also blue, University Blue lace guys. And again guys, shoutout nga pala kay WJKL Ray. Yun, for the sneakers for today. So yan, if you want to cop more of this University Blue, if you want to check his account, you can DM or message WJKL Ray. Ang hirap basahin eh. Binago niya kasi yung pangalan niya, but I'll put in the screen. And also the page, which is What's Good Kicks. Yun, di ba? Meron siyang page guys. Name of the page, FB page, What's Good Kicks. So, check nyo na lang guys yung mga pinopost niyang mga sneakers. Na mga malulupit yung mga sneakers niya doon. So, yan. Tropa din natin yan. So, again guys, ayun. Ulitin ko, Jordan 1 High OG University Blue